Gates open, they're up and racing. Kim Possible draws for your lead. Moving up is Piclo in between runners Caprechosa. Best Asset is running by the rail. Then comes Wab Tiger live in Manila. Moving up on the outside as they head towards the last 800. Best Asset in command, followed by Caprechosa on the outside. Running in third is Piclo, followed by Kim Possible. Live in Manila, moving up on the outside, Victorian Stones, running by the rail, Swab Tiger, then comes entry number 10, and that's Vermont, as they turn to the last 450. Now we have Caprechosa takes the lead over Best Asset in second. Running in third by the rail is Swab Tiger, live in Manila, moving up on the outside together with 8A Victorian Stones. Cat Maze by the rail with the last 100 meters more to run. Caprechosa live in Manila is on the outside, and finally Caprechosa live in Manila, 8A Victorian Stones. Then comes Cat May, Vermont, and Swab Tiger for your Pentapecta.